In today's video, I am going to teach you how to paste multiple cells into one cell in Excel. To start, open your Excel sheet and find the cell where you want the combined text to appear. This is the destination cell. For example, you might want to combine values from several cells into a single cell. Once you have located the target cell, double-click it. When you double-click, you will enter text editing mode. You should see a blinking cursor inside the cell, which means Excel is ready for you to type or edit the contents of that cell. Now that you are in editing mode, the next thing you will do is begin a formula. Formulas are how Excel combines values in a controlled way. In the destination cell, type the equal sign. The equal sign tells Excel that you are creating a formula rather than typing plain text. As you type the equal sign, the cell will recognize that you are about to combine multiple items. After you have typed the equal sign, click the first cell that contains the value you want to include. For example, if your first piece of text is in a cell like A1, click that cell. You should see Excel add a reference to that first cell into the formula. This reference is how Excel knows which cell to pull data from. Next, you will add an ampersand symbol, which is the key part of this method. Type an ampersand after the first cell reference. Immediately after you type it, click the second cell you want to include, such as A2. The goal here is to connect the values together in the same destination cell. The ampersand is what tells Excel to join the contents. Now, take a moment to check that the formula is building the way you expect. You should now see the first cell reference, then an ampersand, then the second cell reference. This is the core pattern: reference, ampersand, reference. Keeping that pattern correct will help everything work smoothly. With the second cell included, you will repeat the same process for the next one. Type another ampersand after the second cell reference, then click the third cell you want to add, such as A3. This continues the same combination rule, so Excel will place the third cell's contents right after the second cell's contents, all within the destination cell. At this point, you have combined multiple cells into a single expression. The formula may not look complex, but it is doing important work. It is collecting each selected cell's value and joining them together in order. If you have more cells to combine beyond 3, the same pattern would continue. But for this specific method, you can stop once you have the set of cells you need. Finally, you will finish the formula by pressing Enter on your keyboard. Pressing Enter tells Excel to apply the formula and display the combined result in the destination cell. After you press Enter, you should see the destination cell update immediately, showing the values from the cells you selected all in one place. If you do not see the result you expect, the most common reason is that one of the cell references was not selected correctly, or you missed one of the ampersand symbols. You can simply double-click the destination cell again and review the formula to confirm it matches the sequence you intended. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.